Hey guys, it's Gordon Ramsay. Today, we're making chicken. But not just any chicken. We're making some of the most delicious, flavorful, and impressive chicken dishes you'll ever try. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, there's a recipe here for you. So grab your aprons, let's get cooking. The recipes. We're going to make 3 amazing chicken dishes. Honey garlic chicken. This dish is packed with flavor, thanks to the sticky and sweet honey garlic sauce. It's perfect served over rice or noodles. Roasted lemon chicken with herbs. This simple recipe is bursting with fresh flavor. The chicken is roasted with lemon, herbs, and garlic, resulting in a tender and juicy bird. Spiced Moroccan chicken tagine. This dish is a culinary adventure. The chicken is cooked in a slow cooker with a Moroccan-inspired spice blend, resulting in a fall-off-the-bone chicken that's full of flavor. Honey garlic chicken. Let's start with the honey garlic chicken. To make this dish, you'll need 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup honey, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 cup cornstarch. Vegetable oil, for frying. First, marinate the chicken in the soy sauce, honey, rice vinegar, garlic, ginger powder, and black pepper for at least 30 minutes. Then, heat up some oil in a pan and fry the chicken until golden brown and cooked through. In a separate bowl, whisk together the cornstarch and 1/4 cup of water. Add this to the pan with the chicken and cook until the sauce thickens. Serve the honey garlic chicken over rice or noodles, and enjoy. Roasted lemon chicken with herbs. Next up, we have the roasted lemon chicken with herbs. For this recipe, you'll need 1 whole chicken, 1 lemon, sliced, 2 tablespoons fresh thyme, 2 tablespoons fresh rosemary, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Place the chicken in a roasting pan and stuff it with the lemon slices and herbs. Drizzle the chicken with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Roast the chicken for 1 hour, or until cooked through. Let the chicken rest for 10 minutes before carving and serving. Spiced Moroccan chicken tagine. Finally, let's make the spiced Moroccan chicken tagine. For this dish, you'll need 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 14.5 ounce canned diced tomatoes, 1 cup chicken broth, 1/2 cup dried apricots, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. Heat the olive oil in a Dutch oven or slow cooker over medium heat. Add the onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Add the garlic, cumin, coriander, turmeric, cinnamon, paprika, and cayenne pepper. Cook for 1 minute, until fragrant. Stir in the diced tomatoes, chicken broth, apricots, and chicken thighs. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low and simmer for 4–6 hours, or until the chicken is cooked through. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve with couscous or rice. So there you have it, 3 amazing chicken recipes from Gordon Ramsay. With these recipes, you're sure to impress your family and friends. Thanks for watching.